Hello everyone, I'm Rita.
I'm Daniel.
I'm Agnes.
I'm Peace.
And together we are
Inspirational
Inspirational
Juice.
Juice.
So this is our end of the year video. Okay, yeah, we have a new member.
Yeah.
Daniel.
Reads, we have inspiration reads. And we have two teams made of two people. I and Agnes, Peace and Rita. So yeah, you're going to watch us embarrass ourselves because we have no motor brain skills.
I do.
Wow.
Okay, so Peace and I are in one team, and Agnes and Daniel are in another team. This is team A.
And for the win, baby.
Team B, we always ball, baby. Oh, yeah.
So
you said we check now. What are you doing? Is it rap day?
I was laughing.
Checking the pennies for when we throw them out on the street.
talk now.
So I think we are going to exchange this.
So, we.
This is your reviews.
That's my window. Okay, so.
Please.
Okay, I'll start again. So, before now, the team sat down and, we wrote down the words that are enemies.
Please, let's
Our competitors
will
will be acting out. We try our best to be very lenient. We don't know about them. They look very wicked, but we are very lenient with our words that they are going to act out. So we have written our words here. This is what.
Please give me your cup and take my plate. Rock.
I shoot.
Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay. Play again.
Rock.
Play again.
Wait, what? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Again.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
What's it now?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh!
Wait. Okay. Wait, there should be a timer.
Wait, hold on. She got it. You my G. Your time starts now.
Makeup.
Yes. Now.
Oh my god. Wheelbarrow. Oh we sing. Picky. Your time starts now.
Tummy ache. Hungry.
Yes.
Like literally.
Now.
Hey.
Time is going.
Nonchalance.
Time up. The correct one is I know. Okay, let's
Start.
Gorilla.
yeah. Now.
Shoelace. Lacing up your shoe. Canvas. Workout boots. Workout shoe. Trainers. Canvas. Shoe. Boots. Runners. Sneakers. You said time up. I said sneakers when you said time up.
Let's go.
No. Yeah, why did you stop writing in exam? At least you have to dot your I's and cross your T's. So
You can stand up now.
7, 6, 5,
Jean.
4, 3, 2,
Meat.
1.
Come on.
Time up! Yeah, correct. She got to no. She got to when he ran.
Slum. Faint. Tired. Tiredness. What? Tired. Sleepy. Tired of the world.
I'm so scared. That's nothing like that. That's not it.
Hunter, hunting, marching, soldier.
It wasn't bad because
Blueberry. How can you actually describe blueberry?
What?
snake.
Yes.
Wait.
Wait.
You have
Things are
started.
so easy. Okay, your time starts now.
Thirsty. Drinking water. Opening a bottle. Opening water bottle. Drinking from a water bottle. Drinking from a cup.
She has gotten it now.
She has not gotten it.
you're not
She has not
gotten
gotten
it.
it.
Opening a drink in what?
Writing, jotting, reading. 3 words. Read, book.
Reading a book.
No.
No, you know what? What?
No,
No, I'm not
opening.
opening this.
Okay. Your time starts now.
Okay, because I'm a farmer.
Opening a door. Bank. Money. ATM.
It's fine.
Yeah, start.
DJ. Oh, basketball.
What?
Wait, flooding from home.
Starting from how?
My house is about to. Wait. We will know
Yes,
which
start.
one belongs to who. So let us be guided.
You just want to say the word.
Oh my god, sorry, let's start again.
Yeah. Tell us the word, then we'll
The word is black. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
Hey.
So
It's Daniel's turn. Who is timing?
It's ugly ass. Yes, I think this is
What's the word?
thriller.
Who did this? This wicked.
Circle.
Oh, yeah.
Run away while we're running in circles.
Oh!
how is it now? Wait,
I think it is you that put circles.
I'm the one. I was
Yes,
thinking circle of life.
Sad.
Wait, just wait, please. I have this. Okay. Wait.
What's the word?
Fire.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait. Oh God, Adele. I said fire. Anybody that know what I wrote it? My God, so there was I couldn't even see it.
Start.
Wait, now let me read the word. The word is love. I love you like a love song, baby.
Easy by Camila Cabello.
Is that a start or a finish?
There is one very.
Is that the start or the finish?
Bounce. Bounce your body from me. Bounce it on. Baby.
Party.
T-shirts with nothing but your T-shirt on.
Yoruba.
Is my
I know, right? Too easy. Loving you was blue like I never known. What's that called?
so
Yeah,
now
please.
only Agnes is out now.
No, yeah. Oh my God, Agnes, our team, we've lost. We've lost.
Oh, sweet Jesus.
Oh, peace may be out too.
Wait.
Open, stop.
Friends. Hey. The team song of Friends. Wait. Can we be friends? If you're a friend of Jesus, stand up. No, I put it to you that it's a song.
Oh, yeah, sing the
If
song.
you're a friend of Jesus, stand up.
Since you were born in January.
I just put it now. Of this round, I'm going to give you guys 15 seconds.
Then let me open it first. Yes.
Open. Read out your word.
Newborn.
Okay.
My God, I'm in trouble.
What sort of wickedness is this?
How many seconds?
15.
Please sing a song that has newborn.
Smooth like a newborn.
Wait, Thunder by Imagine Dragons. By the.
An English
What is
word.
word?
Adama.
Wait. Time starts now.
Oh, heal the world.
Noun.
Distant star at home up in the heavens. What a sight to see. It's a Christmas song.
I'm so sick of that same old love. That shit it tears me up. Yeah.
So yeah, Daniel
So-
managed to win.
If I want to have a big head, I'll just go to Peace House, maybe.
I'm shocked for what?
And size.
And next year, we'll be having game shows like this where you guys, yes, you guys, our audience, come with your friends and come and play, and you win prizes as well. To be fun. Stay tuned and don't miss out. Now we're going to say what Sia taught us.
Starting with Agnes.
Okay.
Wow. What I learned this year is that, well, thinking won't help you. Thinking too much, like overthinking and stressing about stuff really won't help.
So I guess what did 2021 teach you?
Okay. Alright. I learned that as long as I'm alive, there is always a chance to do something over again, no matter how many times I feel. As long as I'm still opening my eyes, I can always try again.
The sun will rise and we'll try again. Yeah.
You can't live. You can't live in the past. You can't change the past. You can't live in the past either. You need to look at the future. You can't change. Yeah, you can't change what you cannot control.
Yeah.
Things that's why just life is a train wreck. So I don't know what I am saying.
It's actually really dangerous. I got a lot of unnecessary trouble because of delay. And for what? Watching movies being lazy. Just nonsense delay that would have saved me a lot of stress for now. And delay is dangerous, and if you want to do something, just do it. Done is better than perfect. Like, I'm always waiting for the perfect opportunity, but at the end of the day, I end up rushing. So what's the point of waiting for the perfect opportunity? Hence that you should take care of yourself. Like, you are the only person that is with you 24/7. Anything can happen, people can do things, and situations come up, but at the end of the day, always try to take care of yourself. Just look after yourself, pamper yourself. So that's what the self helps me. When I say
also,
pamper,
money solves all problems.
Exactly.
when I say
doesn't solve all problems, I mean.
You think so?
Let's take away from.
Money doesn't solve all problems.
Money plus God solves all problems. Full stop.
preach,
Please.
sis!
Thanks, baby.
Now, when I say pamper yourself, I don't mean like, I mean take care of yourself, because sometimes something happens and you go back home, think about it, torture yourself, like,
Yeah, like I said, overthinking
depress
doesn't
yourself.
really
So,
help.
On that note,
bye.
Goodbye.
Merry Christmas,
Merry Christmas,
and
Happy
Happy
New Year.
Year.
We
Stay
love you so
tuned.
much. See you next year.
Next year will
Next
be
year.
popping.
We have so much content for you guys, so stay tuned.
how hope life we should be.
Please, can we say bye at the same time?
Bye.
These are the kind of friends you should teach. We're not here because of love.
No!
This is
No.
a mini episode of Solve Your Problems when you see each other, and I mean, just say it. Just
Why
say
are you
it.
so
Just
wise? You're like,
express
Dr.
express
Shizzy.
yourself.
You know, like she doesn't
When
know.
when you meet them, this is part of pampering yourself. Say
You should be more like her. I just
Wait.
take it. I just
Wait.
swallow. I just swallow.
Oh my
and
God,
digest.
isn't this
Stop
something?
swallowing. Don't swallow.
Oh my
anything
God!
You have a dirty mind.
that stopped.
It stopped ever since.
Jesus
Let's-
Christ.
I'm
Let's-
sure it's when peace went there.
It's not when I went.
You know how many times this bitch has dropped me?
Jesus!
What did Jesus do?
Do you know the last time I saw this? Last time I saw this girl was on her
Last
birthday,
time he called
January.
me.
This
Promises
is December.
me sleepovers and doesn't come.